Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today I'm going to show you how to make my easy pizza chicken. This is a recipe my kids love. I made it up one day when I had nothing to feed them. I was creating another recipe and I didn't have anything for my kids, so I threw these things together and it worked out so well, they love it. So first, all we do is we salt and pepper our chicken. I take chicken thighs. You could use breasts, but personally I think thighs have a little more flavor. And just salt and pepper them a little. Then we've got a hot pan over here that I've heated some avocado oil on, and we just put them in. About 4 minutes per side. And you can really squish them in here. It doesn't matter because they'll end up in the oven, so they'll get cooked through. You want them to really sizzle a little before you turn them over. Give them about 4 minutes per side and they'll be perfect. So once they're nicely browned, you can flip them all over and get the other side. And now everything looks good. It's nicely browned on both sides, and we can start putting our pizza toppings on. So just any pizza sauce you want to use. I actually always look for sugar-free pizza sauce. And you just want to spread it over every thigh nicely so it gets covered. I don't like them too saucy personally. I like, just a nice coverage, but it's up to you how you want to do it. And of course we've got the cheese, lots and lots of grated mozzarella. And you want to put a nice thick covering. And my kids like lots of the cheese, but you can put as much or as little as you like. How could it be pizza chicken without some pepperoni? I've got some nice pepperoni here that I'm just going to put on top. And at least 3 pieces per thigh, but if you want to go a little crazier and put lots more on, that's totally fine. I like to put a little more cheese on to make everything stick when I take it out of the oven. And now it's ready to go. 350 oven for about 25 minutes. Now your chicken is all done. It's ready to go. I like to serve it right away, really hot, so that you get nice melty cheese. So there you have it, one of the easiest meals to make, and your kids are gonna love it, I promise. For the full recipe, see alldayidreamaboutfood.com.